The new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class has undergone some cosmetic changes that are noticeable at the front of the vehicle. The AMG GLE 53 and 63S trims received the same visual updates, with horsepower remaining the same for both models. However, the GLE 53 has received a small increase in torque, now at 413 pound-feet, thanks to slight revisions in programming and a larger turbocharger. The AMG GLE 53 is powered by a 3.0-liter i6 engine that produces 429 horsepower, and the torque increase drops the 0 to 60 time to 4.9 seconds. The AMG GLE 63S still boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces 603 horsepower. Both AMG trims come with more standard equipment, such as the air balance package and heads-up display. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class will be available for sale later this year, with pricing to be announced closer to the on-sale date.